This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. It's the 6th of December. December, yeah. Well, we're getting closer to Christmas, aren't we? I believe the 6th of December is St. Nicholas Day here. Look at that. Did you see that? You see that guy there? He didn't make way for the birds. Anyway, the point is, it's a celebration of St. Nicholas Day here in Germany and in Switzerland. You forgot it's St. Nicholas talk today, right? The 6th, the St. Nicholas talk.
Yes, it is.
Right? And this I have to put in my... And St. Nicholas talk is Santa Claus Day. St. Nicholas is the ancient name for Santa Claus. And it's very interesting. I think I'll take these. Can't put them in my pocket, but I'll just hold them like this. And someone's in the parking lot there with lights on, looking at me. Anyway, it's a celebration of Santa Claus, and tradition is that they Santa Claus comes from house to house, and he has a stick. If you look in the ancient times, he has a stick, and he has a bag filled with goodies, and he carries a stick, like a broom sort of thing. And he decides whether or not that child's been good or bad. He gets whacked with the stick, or he gets a treat. Traditionally here, they get little chocolate Santa Clauses, oranges, probably some sort of little small toy, but usually it's something to eat, like mandarins and oranges and nuts and I don't know, that sort of thing, and chocolate Santa Clauses and so forth. I think they put their shoes underneath their bed in some cultures, but anyway, we don't have that in America. We don't have St. Nicholas talk or Santa Claus Day. Santa Claus just comes on the 24th of December in the night and brings his gifts. So that's what it's. That's how we celebrate it. But in other cultures, St. Nicholas or Santa Claus is separated out. And who comes on Christmas Eve is the Christ child. It's the child, Jesus Christ, the baby, that brings the gifts to the children, and not Santa Claus. So it is interesting though. Since I can't lay down this bag, I got two things of well, I'm trying to figure out how to do this without setting something down. Okay, let's pour this out as best as we can with one of these things in here. Well, this bag will get thrown away, so I think we'll look for a place for the bag to put down, and we'll put the second container down here. And very difficult for me with this cow poo everywhere. I'll have to manage. Get this out first. First bunch. That out first. Just underneath my arm. My jacket's a bit dirty, but just the way it is. I don't see, oh, the pigeons are out today. Pigeons are out today. Crows are up above. Charlie! Charlie, honey. Here, Charlie. Here, Charlie. Come, Charlie. Charlie, here. Come here, honey. Come here, Charlie. Charlie, come. Here. Here, baby. Come. Come on. Get it, Charlie. Here, Charlie. Come here. You guys stay but close to Mama. Here. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, Charlie. Go ahead. Go ahead, Charlie. Go get it, honey. Good boy. Okay. Now, we have another container. I thought I heard the Yankee bird machine from where when I was feeding Kitty Cat this morning, but maybe not. Put our peanuts out. Put our peanuts in the shell out for our crows. See, there's still grain here in the field. Look at this. There's still grain. Still grain if they want it. Still grain. Looks like everybody's getting something. Crows are getting something. Of course, the black-headed gulls are getting something. The pigeons are in there. Wow. They're very vocal today. Very, very vocal. Amazing. Gonna be hard to feed Charlie today. But he did get some sausage. You see, you got to feed him late in the night. Well, they really went after those peanuts in the shell. Look at that, they're all gone already. I didn't see Seymour, but I thought I heard Seymour. And I'm not sure. Look at that. I just saw a crow like Charlie run after the gulls. But Charlie did come in the field, but he was very upset, very stressed out. Charlie was very stressed out. Since we have a lot of errands to run and I don't want to draw these birds, I'm just going to give out Charlie's food right now on the field, and we'll see if the crows get some of it. I do a package of cashews in the car in case Charlie does show up before we drive away, but we'll see. We'll see what happens here. birds are really, really, really hungry here. We'll throw some in the field, but crows are, it's just too much for the crows. That's it. I'm afraid the gulls got most of Charlie's food, but nothing I can do. I got a lot of errands to run today. Gotta stop at the post office. So what I wanted to say yesterday, I didn't upload the video because a person appeared toward the end of the video, and she offered me money to help pay for some birdseed, and that was very, very nice. She was like a little angel. I'm so used to being attacked that I was really hesitant when she came up to me. And very, very wonderful person. Camellia is her name. So yeah, so I didn't upload the video because she was in there and I didn't want to post her on YouTube. But that was so sweet. That was absolutely so sweet. I'm just not used to people appreciating the birds. Most of the people here dislike the birds or indifferent to the birds. Only a small minority really